Hey guys, my name is Team Gmail, and today we're going to be playing Subway Surfer. But this video won't be too long. It'll be like 2 minutes. It's because I have to go get some recording software and stuff like that. And I might do a haul on it. Well guys, our goal is let's try getting 1,000 coins in 2 minutes. Oh, that's close. If I got hit, that means I would have not gotten it. This is gonna be a hard challenge. And we're gonna do this challenge for like a couple minutes. Like every single challenge will be 2 minutes in this episode. So in total, like the video will be 10 minutes. And guys, don't forget, let's try getting 50 subs before August 1st. Let's try doing that. And like if we get those bags like in that box of coins, that still counts if we get 1,000. Oh man. But we cannot use keys. Oh man. I only got a couple. I'm kidding guys, I'm not doing a challenge. I'm just trying to get 1,000 coins. But this video will still be 2 minutes. And guys, let's try getting 5 likes on this video. And if I die one more time, I'll end off this video. Oh my gosh. You guys didn't see that. So if I die one more time, I will end off this video. And guys, soon, like in a couple weeks, I will start playing like a Minecraft PC Let's Play. But by then, like I guarantee the update, like the Better Together update for Minecraft, I shouldn't call it Minecraft PC. I should just call it Minecraft Let's Play. Well, guys, hope you liked this video. Smash the like button if you want more, and goodbye.